Hey guys, and welcome back. We are on lesson 5 of chapter 1. Today we're going to be learning how to graph ordered pairs and compare ratios. So the first thing that I want to do is talk about some vocab. All right, so the first vocab word is coordinate plane. Okay, so coordinate plane is where a horizontal number line and a vertical number line intersect at their 0 point. So that means that when we have a line in there, when it intersects there, that is a coordinate plane. All right, so the origin is the point of the x-axis and the y-axis on the coordinate plane. So that means that is right here where I have my little arrow pointing to the 0 0. Okay, that is the origin. All right, whenever you are graphing something, you need to always start there. Okay, so the x-axis is the horizontal number line, so the number line that runs on the bottom going across left to right, that is the x-axis, and the y-axis is a vertical number line going up and down. Okay, so that is a few of them. Then we have one more page. So the next thing in our vocab is ordered pairs. So an ordered pair is a pair of numbers used to locate a point on the coordinate plane. My example for this is 3, 12. Okay, and so my next vocab word is x coordinate, which is the first number in our ordered pair. So that is the 3. Okay, and y coordinate is the second number. Okay, so that's how we figure out where to place our coordinates at. Okay, where we need to place our dots. All right, and lastly, we have graph is to place a dot at the point named by an ordered pair. So to graph is just this little green dot right there. Okay, that means to graph. All right. So our first thing that we are going to do is we are going to look at our example 1 on page 48. Okay, and it says the table shows the cost in dollars to create CDs of digital photos at a photo shop. The table also shows this information as ordered pairs, so number of CDs to the cost in dollars. Okay, so like if you buy one piece of gum for a quarter, you're going to have to pay, and you want 2 pieces of gum, you have to pay 2 quarters. Okay, same thing. All right, so we have our number of CDs. We have 1, 2, and 3, and then our dollars at 3, 6, and 9. Okay, and they already show us our ordered pairs right over here. All right, and so we don't really have to think about what goes where. Okay, so our ordered pairs is 1, 3. So you're going to start at the origin. Okay, you're going to go over to 1, and you're going to go up to 3. Okay, so first across, then up. Okay, across, then up. All right, the second one is going to be 2, 6. So again, start at the origin. Okay, 2, go to 6. Okay, and lastly, we have 0 to 3, and then 9. All right, so that is our graph. It will be 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. Okay. All right, so number 2, same thing. So this time we have a table that shows the distance Kaylee travels on her scooter. The table also shows the information as ordered pairs, as in time in seconds, and distance in feet. All right, so graph the ordered pairs. So we're going to look at our first line. Okay, so right here we have 1, 4. So I'm going to start at 0 and go over and go up to 4. Since there isn't a 4 there, I'm going to assume, and I'm not going to assume, I know that 4 comes after 3, so I'm going to guesstimate a little bit that 4 is going to be right there. Okay, number 2, okay, the second one, we're going to go from 2 to 8. Okay, so start at my 0, 0, go to 2, go up to 8, but don't go to 9, right under 9. Okay, number 3, we're going to start at 3. Okay, 0 to 3, go up to 12. All right, and 4 is 16. Again, since we don't have 16, you're going to have to guesstimate. So over to 4, up to 16. Okay. All right, that is how we graph. All right, our next one is going to be about 2 friends named Renee and Gina. Okay, and that is going to be on page 49. Okay, so on page 49, we have 2 friends are making scrapbooks. Renee places 4 photos on each page of her scrapbook. Gina places 6 photos on each page of her scrapbook. Okay, so like I said in the beginning, if we have one gumball and you want that's going to be 25 cents, okay? If we want 2 gumballs, we have to pay 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, okay? And so on. So we're doing the same thing here, but now we have photos instead. So we have to complete the graph, complete our table, all right? So since we have pages here, all right, we have 1 page here and 4 photos there, we are going to continue that pattern, okay? So we added 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? So we are going to do the same thing here, not just add 1, we're going to add 4, okay? The reason why we're doing that is because 4 here, okay, will take us to our next spot plus 4, okay? So 4 plus 4 is 8, okay? Another way you can do this is you could say, okay, since there are 2 pages, there's going to be 8 photos because that's doubling it. You could also multiply it as well, saying 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 was going to be our next number, which is 12, and then 4 times 4 is going to give us 16, okay? And then let's look at the x and y coordinates. So our x and y coordinate, we need to fill those in, and we already got the numbers for that. So we're going to do x as 2, and then our y is 8, okay? 3 and 12, 4 and 16, okay? Same thing with Gina's. So now we're going to continue this pattern, okay? For every 1 page, there's 6 photos. For every 2 pages, there is 12 photos, okay? So we're going to keep the trend going, okay? So if there's 3, there's going to be 18. If there's 4, there's going to be, we had a brain fart, 24, okay? And now we do the order pairs. So we just move straight across for these, okay? So 2, 12, 3, 16, 4, 24, okay? Now, I want to graph these with you guys because I know this is very important and you guys need to continuously see how to graph, okay? So we're going to look at our graphs now. So we have the number of photos to the number of pages, okay? And remember, when we are graphing, we go across and then up, okay? We don't go up and then across, okay? That's a no-go. We want to make it like a backwards L, okay? Not an upside down L, a backwards L, okay? So Renee is going to be blue. I can't change my color, so I'm going to make her into a dash line, and Gina is going to be a circle, okay? So I'm just going to graph these real quick. So if I have 1 page to 4, I'm going to go 1, start at my 0, 0, okay, 1, and then up to 4, which is right about there, okay? And since, like I told you guys in the beginning, since we don't have a 4, you're going to have to guesstimate a little bit. When I say guesstimate, don't just put it right in the middle because that's like 5-ish, give or take. You want to put it more towards the number that it's closer to, okay? So then we're going to do 0 and 2, 0 to 2, and then we're going to go up to 8, which is about there, okay? 3 to 12, 4 to 16, okay? And again, I'm going to just guesstimate that it's right above 15, okay? Gina's stuff, I'm going to make it a dot, okay? So 1 and 6, okay? 2 and 12, 3 and 15. Nope, not 15. I lied, sorry. 3 and 18, okay? And then 4 and 24, okay? So that is what our graph looks like, minus my 2 mishaps. Okay, and if we connect the dots, which I will do on the next page, we will see the different slopes they have, okay? So if I start at 0, 0, and I travel through my red dots, okay, remember that is Gina's, I believe. Yep, Gina's. And then I have my blue dots, which is Renee, okay? As you can see, all right, Gina's is a lot steeper than Renee's because she has a bigger number, okay? So if you have a bigger number, it's going to be a lot steeper in your graph, okay? And again, our ratio for that is going to be, Renee's is 4 to 1 because every 4 photos she has 1 page, and Gina's scrapbook is going to be 6 to 1 because for every 6 pages she has, or sorry, not 6 pages, 6 photos, she has 1 page, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will be happy to help with anything that you need. If you have any questions, email me, call me, message me, whatever you need. I will be there to help. All right. Have a great day.